Hi, I want to introduce the newest generation of the Model SS1 safety switch from Ratchet, and you're going to love this product. The size has been reduced. It's a much smaller device, fit in tight spaces, and it's got some amazing features for you. So you can see that the float switch still comes out through the top of the cap, but I'm going to show you how you remove this. So it has pictures of the lock and unlock symbols for these two cams, and you simply can walk up to the unit, unlock it, and now the top cover comes off along with the float switch. The float switch comes preset to the bottom of the device, so it's most sensitive, and it has a little ratchet system, so you can actually adjust the switch up to make it less sensitive or keep it down at the bottom just by simply pulling up on the stem of the float switch. Put this off to the side. I'm going to show you inside here. In the past, you would get some debris or algae growth in the bottom of the device, and there was always a fear of the contractor that it would touch the float and maybe hold down the float. Well, what we did here is put a mound in the bottom of the device, and what that does is allows water to pass through. Any debris would lay around that mound on the bottom of the device, and the mound will actually keep the float from going down to the bottom of the device and keep it off of the bottom and away from any debris that can form on the bottom. So that's number one. We took care of that problem right away. Now, while we have this open, I'm going to show you each of these devices comes with this Cleanout tool. So now this product doubles. So not only is it an inline float switch, but it also is a Cleanout device. And to clean out the drain line, you simply insert this Cleanout tool right here, and now you can blow it out using a mighty pump, a AC foot pump. You could use nitrogen, any way you want. If you want to put a shop vac on, you can right from in here. And once you can go in either direction, so if I want to use a wet vac to suck out from the pan, I can do that as well. So very easy. The homeowner or the contractor can put a pan tablet in, an ACT tab from Ratchet, or a new line, pour in new line to keep the line clean. Any kind of maintenance items you can do right from here. And simply just put the top cover back on, and you're going to close the cams, and it's locked into place. Again, you can ratchet up and down for sensitivity. It's small, it's compact. It can go on a horizontal or up to an angle of 45 degrees, wherever is the best fit for you in the drain line. And you're covering two codes. One, now you have a float switch on the unit, and also a Cleanout, which the new drain line maintenance code requires a Cleanout, some way to get in there without cutting the line. So you're actually killing two codes in one product. And this adapter can snap right onto the device here, and you can leave everything compact. So here it is, the new generation SS1. I think you're really going to like it. Thank you.